Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sonali Kagne. I welcome you all on this occasion of World Thyroid Day, which is celebrated on 25th May each year. Today we are going to discuss about certain facts about thyroid. What exactly is thyroid? Thyroid is a gland which is situated in the neck. It secretes hormones called as T3 and T4 under the influence of a hormone secreted by our pituitary gland, and that hormone is TSH, which is called as thyroid stimulating hormone. What exactly is the function of these thyroid hormones? Thyroid hormones are required for the metabolism of each and every cell of our body. Thereby, thyroid hormone is important for the function of brain, heart, bones, gastrointestinal tract and all other organs of our body. Coming to what dysfunction the thyroid can cause. Basically, the thyroid hormones, if they are secreted in lesser than the normal quantity, then it leads to something called as hypothyroidism, which is in short less functioning or hypofunction of the thyroid gland. Whereas if these thyroid hormones are secreted in excess quantity, then we call it as hyperthyroidism or hyperfunctioning of the thyroid gland. What are the symptoms of this hyperthyroidism? When the thyroid gland functions excessively and it secretes excess amount of thyroid hormones, it can lead to increase in the metabolic rate of our body, and it leads to symptoms like palpitation, tremors of the body, excessive sweating, and if this condition lasts for a longer period of time, it can also lead to a significant amount of weight loss. Similarly, if the thyroid is functioning less than the normal, that is hypothyroidism, it can lead to lethargy, tiredness, constipation, it can lead to hair fall, and it can lead to hypofunction of different organs of our body. Is there any relation between thyroid function and weight? This is a very important question. Hypofunctioning of the thyroid gland, which leads to slowness in the body, is associated with weight gain. So, when you have excess weight and your thyroid function is less than normal, we need to give you a medicine which is a thyroid hormone which you take externally on a daily basis. However, once your thyroid functions are brought in the normal range with the help of that thyroid hormone supplement and still your weight is on the higher side, that means we should look into other causes of that excess weight. So, even if you are overweight and you have thyroid dysfunction and you are on treatment for the same thing, it is very important for you to note that once the thyroid function is normal and still the weight is on the higher side, we should take into consideration of other causes such as lack of physical activity, the unhealthy eating patterns and other things. So, what is the ideal way to take the thyroid hormone supplement? Thyroid hormone supplement is available in the form of a tablet. This tablet you need to take every day on empty stomach. You need to keep a gap of at least 30 minutes before taking your tea, coffee or any breakfast, because these food items may interfere with the absorption of the thyroid hormone. Similarly, if you are taking any supplements of iron or calcium in your daily routine, you need to separate these medicines, or you need to keep a gap of at least 4 hours between the thyroid tablet and the iron or calcium supplements, so that this absorption is not affected and you get the entire dose of the thyroid hormone. So, as we all have seen, the thyroid hormones are very important for the functioning of our entire body. It is very important that we need to check the thyroid function regularly so that we catch the thyroid dysfunction as early as possible and treat it with a very simple tablet which can be taken on a daily basis.